So hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can cast your Android phone screen to your laptop or your PC without any software. So for this you only need a Wi-Fi connection. If you have Wi-Fi router in your home, then you can easily cast your phone to your PC. And if you do not have your Wi-Fi router at your home, then you can use any third mobile hotspot and connect your laptop or PC or your mobile phone to the same hotspot network. That means your mobile and your laptop should be connected to a same Wi-Fi network. So now let us begin. And second important thing is that this method only work in Windows 10. So if you don't have Windows 10, then you can stop watching video here, else you can install Windows 10. So okay, let us start. So first of all we will move to our PC part. So let me zoom into my screen. Okay, I think that's enough. So for this, first of all you have to need to move to your settings part. So I'm going to open settings in my laptop, and in settings we have to move to system part. Here is system, click on system, and on the left hand side at the bottom you will see an option of projecting to this PC. So we have to click on this option, projecting to this PC, and here you will see these options, and if these options are not available, there might be some chance it will ask you to install a feature. Then you can then there is the option to install a feature. Then click on install a feature and choose wireless display. It will automatically install that feature. It is of 1.6 MB, and if your luck is good, and it is always present by default at this area. So that's enough part. Now you will have to do the settings as same of mine. I will see that here in first option you will have to choose available everywhere. So you do not need to connect again and again when you have to cast your phone to your laptop. Ask to project to this PC first time only, and first time only ask you to give permission so it can connect your mobile to your computer. And pin for pairing you can choose it never. And these settings will make you easy to connect your smartphone to your PC. Okay, so that's enough. Now we do not need to do any other thing. Okay, so next what we have to do, you will see here option of top, launch the connect app to project to this PC. So we'll tap on this, and here we will see we are already. I'll just make this window small. Okay, so now we'll move to our mobile phone part. Okay, so let me zoom out so that I can show to you my mobile. Oh, it is a dummy mobile for me, that is it is only for the video purpose, that's why screen is cracked. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so for this you will have to move to the screencast option. It is available in the notification panel, or you can find it in your settings menu. So we'll just have to tap on cast. Here you will see an option that my name, that is you see on laptop it is Chetan, and same wireless display Chetan is shown on my mobile. I just tap on Chetan, and you will see on my laptop that is start connecting. It may take some time to project on that, depending upon your phone's model, but otherwise when it start projecting you will see that it is there. So let me give you a demo. You see it is projecting. It is not that it will also cast your internal audio to your laptop. So let me do a thing. Let me open YouTube. You see here is my YouTube part. So let me going to play a video. So I'm going to play a video. Now the voice is coming from my laptop, not from my mobile. I will see if there's no audio from my mobile. All the audios came from my laptop. So let me do a thing. Let me bring my laptop closer to the mic. You see all the audio is coming from my laptop, not from my mobile. If you want to cast your games, then you can cast and record from the laptop screen. And for this, if you want to hear the audio, then you have to put the headphone in your laptop, not in your mobile. So you can also project it in landscape mode. You see landscape mode is there. You can also maximize the window. You see you can maximize the window. So I hope you enjoyed this video. In case of you have any doubt, then you can ask the doubt in the comment section, and it is pretty easy setup, so you can easily do that. So that's it. If you have any doubt, you can easily ask in the comment section. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to like the video. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.